Hey, how's everybody doing? This is JJ with Deluxe Vehicle Detailing and Paint Correction here in beautiful Seminole, Florida. Today I'm going to compare Superclean foaming. This is their standard cleaner in the foaming edition. And also they have come out with the Superclean all-wheel cleaner. Grime, brake dust, super fast. I want to thank Superclean. They sent these out to me free just to do some testing, and I am going to share my testing with you today as I break down this wheel, doing half with Superclean all-wheel cleaner, and this half with the foaming. Just a nice quick video here to give you an idea if you're trying to make a choice between the two, or if you've got some on hand. So first off, I think I'm going to back you out just a little bit here as my adjustment needed adjusting. Okay, that's pretty good. It'll give me a little more room and you'll get to see the whole tire there. All right, looks good. So of course, we're going to wet things down. And I am going to use a number of different brushes and whatnot. So we'll go with this half with the all-wheel cleaner. I thought it was open. Let's see, it's got the regular spray and the mist. So I like the mist, it gives nice coverage. We're gonna get inside the barrels and in the little characters, and here we have the misting bottle. Okay, it doesn't turn. Let's try that. Ha! All right. Oh, look at that brown. Just immediately melt away with the foaming action. Give it a nice coat. Man, that just destroyed the dirt. And it's got that browning just coming out of the wheel. Now, I have to be honest, I generally don't use real harsh degreasers and whatnot like Superclean on my tires. Now this is of course straight up, this is non-diluted. So this is just for comparison purposes here. You probably do want to cut this down. I would say probably at least 1 to 1, maybe 4 to 1, and experiment from there. So just on that initial look, you saw how it did there on this side with the browning. Let's see if I can detect any differences. We'll get a little easy wheel brush, pretty thin. Get back on that other side. Pretty thin wheels on this. Try not to cross-contaminate here. We'll put some foam. And let's see how. When you're using brushes like this, you better be wearing safety goggles. Okay. Both of them did a real nice job there. Let's go on the face. Here's our all-wheel cleaner. This is a nano skin body brush. I've got a newer one that I actually do use to spread out my iron and fallout remover only before I'm doing a polishing. And I just like the gentle, soft bristles on the body brush. Get that a little clean out. Let's foam that up some. Did a great job on the all-wheel cleaner. And likewise here, great job. Let's go ahead and hit the tires. Now you can see lifting some of that browning up. The foam is not white. It's got some nice brown to it. It's lifting a lot of that dirt up out of the tire. Foam this one up. It's had a lot of good dwell time. And you can really see how much brown is lifted off of that. And these are fairly new tires. I think they've got, you know, maybe 5,000 miles on them or so. So anyway, between the two, they're both doing a great job. I think Superclean makes great products. You really can't go wrong either way on that. It has melted and dissolved all of the dirt inside there. I'm going to do a little bit deeper cleaning, but I think really that has been about all you need to know. Both of them did an amazing job, and like I said, you can go ahead and dilute those down and get more for your money that way. Okay, well, I thank you. Like, share, comment, and please subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you get great new videos coming out. I've got a lot of stuff in the computer, a lot of stuff going to be coming out soon. So I thank you, and if you've gotten any kind of positive tip from this, please give me that thumb up. I appreciate it. It helps my analytics. Take care. Bye.